Good morning. Well, I come to give you guys a quick update on the seedlings that we planted. And so far, I just watered everything, but so far everything is looking really good. I hope you can see that. And we're over here. Everything is taking pretty good. And then we'll come over here to the other ones. These haven't popped up yet, of course, we know that. And these are the other three over here. Guys, fall is coming here. As you can see, I got tons of leaves everywhere. So that's a quick update. Look at this watermelon. I moved this trellis over here and it's found its way to the trellis. So this watermelon is taking off pretty good. And maybe later today I'm gonna pull this one. I'm gonna probably pull all the tomato plants except from this one right here, which it may still come out. And actually I'm probably gonna go at all the ones in the containers. I'm gonna go ahead and clear those out. Because the fruit is bare now, it's not worth keeping. I can have those ready for those upcoming transplants that's getting ready to come out. But yeah, so I wanted to update you on the seedings to let you know that they are transplanted and they're taking pretty good so far. And unfortunately this week we have triple digits. So we just gotta see. This one here sprouted really good. We got one banana pepper coming right here. Now these here I'm gonna leave as long as they're producing. They're doing pretty good. I have a couple of okras I'm gonna pull off today. Maybe I think it's like one or two. And this one here is just starting to do its thing. As you can see, the okra is starting to come up, little pods. I'm still waiting on this one. They may or may not take. This is the first attempt to those. Actually, excuse me, see a red one right here trying to come. So we'll see how those do. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull all the tomato plants out. The corn is doing good. It's starting to tassel up. Little spider. I almost hit it. But yeah, so as you can see, my shade cloth is out. We had the girls in the tent, and look at it. It's just that side gave in. That was bad. So I'm pretty sure that that's going to be the end of this particular tent. The borders, we're still working on that. This ground is super hard. So we're trying our best to get it in. And it may take a little while for them to even go in. We don't know how to, right now, even get the ground saturated enough to salt, because this is a lot of rock up in here on this particular property as well. So, and that's one of the reasons why I do not plant in ground. This is the other side of the tent. It's just said whatever. So I hate that it's moved, but it is what it is. Trying to get the girls a cool place to hang out, but unfortunately this tent only holds up with the canopy. I wish I'd have known that. But okay. Talk to you. I got a chance to fertilize these seedlings here. They've been out just like the other ones, but today is their first day as well getting fertilized. So we'll see how they take that. I fertilized them with the new Natural Care. Nature Care soluble fertilizer. So that's my first time using that. We'll see how that goes. And we'll check on the seedlings on in. The salad in a bowl is coming out really good. Everything over here looks good. I have not watered anything over here, but as you can see, the comfrey is starting to get green, so I'm waiting on that to root up pretty soon. And I haven't watered these up here yet, so I'm going to water the inside in a minute. Actually, I'm going to fertilize them just like I did the ones on the outside. So thanks again for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and the notification bell. Thank you.